So, this is the, what, third, fourth time I tried to do this video?
Yes.
Yes. Tried to do this video introducing, if you guys noticed, oh my god, we're gonna die.
We're not dying.
We're gonna die.
We fully trust that person. Never mind.
You know, right there.
No, looks like they've been hit more times than Pamela Anderson.
Right. We are, it's the third, fourth time I tried to do this intro, because if you guys notice, this footage looks a little bit different. It's because I'm filming on the brand new GoPro Hero 7 Black. Thanks, Bo. Early birthday present. Yeah. Look at him. Yeah.
Don't get too don't get too close. It's 4K. It's going to show all
It's true.
All my bad stuff.
It is 4K. Gonna test out the quality on here for road cruising, see if we find anything over here. It's just been raining, so think anything will be out?
I don't know. Maybe.
Going slow. Oh,
what's that?
What is that? That's a turtle. That's a turtle.
That's
he's got his head.
It is a turtle.
I told you. Snapping turtle. Snapping turtle. Yep, that is a little snapping turtle. That is a baby snapping turtle. Look at him.
Wow.
Look at him.
Little fella, you want to snap me?
Oh, he's musking. You smell that? Hey, buddy.
Wow. Hey, little pal.
He stinks. What are you doing on the road? You're gonna get hit.
Just trying to get somewhere.
We need to let you go somewhere.
He was facing that way.
He's facing. Oh, he's probably going over to this creek. We'll let him go. Do you want to hold him?
Nope.
Oh. Let him go over here where this creek is. Yeah, he knows where he's going. There you go, bud. Oh. He fell down. There you go, buddy. How cool is that? Checking out some spots for fishing, herping, all sorts of crazy stuff.
Squirrel.
Squirrel. Oh, yep, there he goes. We are here below the dam.
Below the dam?
And this water down here, guys, looks insane. Absolutely insane. Might actually put you guys down in here just to see what. Oh god, this is treacherous.
Huh?
This is treacherous.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Yeah, I mean, look at this. We didn't walk over him.
No.
He just came out here. This. No. This is your Standard black rat snake position. He is a beauty. Oh my goodness. Hey buddy, it's okay. It's alright. I know you're upset. I know you're watching my hand. You're okay. You're okay. You're alright. Look how he's just making sure his whole entire body is to where you just can't get to him. You're alright, buddy. You're okay. You are a beauty. You're not rattling the tail though, so that's good. He's following the camera. You test out the camera? Well, she's gonna bite me anyway. Hey. You're alright, you're alright. You're okay. You're okay. But these are the guys that you want to have around at all times. Because they're black rat snakes for a reason. They eat rats. And mice and other rodents. And they're completely harmless. Absolutely beautiful creatures. They're not an arboreal species, but they are perfect climbers. They don't spend a lot of time in the, like a majority of their lives in the trees, but they are found in trees and in weird places. Like they will be on the, like if you have a brick house, they will be in between like the sidings and stuff when you wouldn't think that there would be a snake there. These guys figure out a way. Let's look how you can get real close. Look at that. You want to hold her? You sure? Come on.
I don't want her to bite me.
Huh? You said you want to get bit by a snake. This is the one to get bit by.
No, I don't.
This is the one you're going to get bit by. I want you to. I really do want you to. Come on, guys. Give it up for Bo handling his first beautiful black rat snake. Come on. You have 2 pet king snakes. You should act like...
Yeah, they're tiny.
So?
And she's in striking pose.
No, she's not.
Look at her. She's
not going to strike you. She's a good girl. You should be more relaxed, because when you're tense, she's going to be tense. So just kind of relax your hands and just kind of hold her like you normally would. Our other snakes, you can move a little quicker than that. It's nice, smooth movements. As long as you're not jerky or anything, then she's completely fine. Completely fine. Look at that. Like a pro. Like a freaking pro. She's gonna check you out. Good job, buddy.
You're so pretty.
Yep. All right, well, we're gonna release her. She was headed in that direction, so Bo just set her down and she will do her thing. Good girl. Wow. Such a beautiful, beautiful snake. That's amazing. What do you guys think about that for test quality footage? We road cruised a herp, and then we landed on this beauty.